What's up everyone, in the last video we created our Android native module template and now we can add actual MLKit code to it. So let's start with the docs, MLKit, developer Google MLKit, get started, there is guides and we're interested in text recognition here, Android. So we need to set up our dependency in your project level build.gradle file. Make sure include Google Maven repository in both your build script and all projects. I'm not sure how Maven dependency should look like. Maybe let's take a look at sample app and check the build.gradle file, and I think there is Maven local supposed to be in the build script and all project repositories. So let's check on our end. We need, you see there is Gradle scripts all from our project, and there is main one without any subtext here. So we have Maven local in the all project repositories, but not in the build script. So let's add it and press sync now. Let's back to our docs, and then we need to add dependency to app build.gradle. So let's copy this string. Now we need build.gradle with .app on the end, and let's put it in our this should be in dependency block as in the docs. Next is the optional but recommended, so let's do it. We need to go to the Android manifest XML and add this tag to the application tag. So let's go to our Android manifest, and before the application tag closed, add our tag. Now we can add actual code, and this start with prepare the input image. So we need to create some input image entity, and I think we need using a file URI. So let's copy this code snippet and put it to our module. We need to add dependency as usually. Okay, it's not appear because we didn't sync after we added dependency in our build.gradle last time. Now it's synced, and you see this appear import class, and it's imported from MLKit Vision. So now we need the context and URI. So we have the context here, and actually in our base class we have get React application context, which is we need, and URI is the URI class. So let's create URI as usually import dependency, and URI we can parse the string which we get from JavaScript side as a param. Okay, what next? Get an instance of text recognizer. So copy text snippet and simply initialize text recognizer entity. And now we can use recognizer to process our image. So copy this snippet as well. Insert dependency, pick MLKit vision text for the text. Okay. So we use recognizer to process our input image, and on success we have some result. And the last step in this guide is to get actual text and block frame for each piece of recognized, like block, line, or just element. So let's copy this code snippet as well and put it to on success block, code block. Alright, I think there is result should be vision text. Okay, I think we don't need this result, and we can replace the vision text, name it result. Alright, import dependencies, and I think that's it. We create URI from our URL string, then we create input image from this URI, initialize text recognizer and process our image, and on success we have the text and the text splitted by blocks, lines and elements. So let's put the breakpoint and take a look how it's working. So I would like to run debug on my device and start screen recording. Take an image. Then press process image. And you see image successfully initialized from our URL. Let's go further and result text. You can see this is recognized text from our picture, actually our code. And we also can see there is the block text, which is much smaller piece. The line in this case same, and the element is an even smaller part. So we can jump between those cycles and see there's element simply a character, line is like this, and result text like this. Alright, that's it. In the next video we will return this value to JavaScript part.